The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only
Guys,
mode.
very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Today is Monday, April 4th. James, good morning. Sam, Chad, Paul, guys, good morning. Deepak, Kirk, Albert, fellas, good morning. Good morning, Becky. Blessings to you. Tom, good morning. All right, fellas, we are coming in. Hell of a bounce on Friday. John, good morning. Hell of a bounce on Friday afternoon. I didn't trade it. I didn't watch it. I just saw the closing prices. Currently, NASDAQ is up 61. ES is up 9.5. YM up 22. EMD up 1 point. Russell up 2.5. Gold is up $9 today. Crude is up $1.25. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. We do have a trial with us today. We have one completing from last week, so good morning and welcome back. Bear with me 1 second, guys. That was another bot trade. I'll show the bots. Guys, the NASDAQ has taken three trades today. So far, all small, insignificant winners. It's the only bot that's taken trades. Trade number 1 was a short, target 1. Trade number 2 was a short, target 1. Hang on 1 second, guys. Sorry about that, fellas. And another one, our first target winner here. So 3 trades on the bot. So far, small winners. And then the runner. I mean, we're basically directionless here. If I had to take a trade, it would be shorts. Trade number 3. That's where we're at, guys. That's it. Gold has not taken a trade as of yet, nor has the ES. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Elon, yeah, I saw that. Twitter's up pretty good this morning. The ES has not taken a trade either. If you guys are here on trial or watching this video later, just as a reminder to new members and potential watchers of the video, we have 3 bots that begin trading at 6 a.m. NASDAQ, ES, and gold. Let's see. I don't think we have any news today, fellas, at all. We do not. Final durable goods at 10 o'clock. We have no speakers that I see. And we have no earnings of any interest. Good morning, Mimi. Nice job. I saw that text. I'll look at charts after. In any event, guys, we're here. We'll see what we can come up with today. Gold just got a quick spike up. I do like bonds long, ZB. Yeah, I saw him this morning. I didn't have a chance to watch him. I will after we close. If bonds can get above, call it 17, they're going to break out, and I'll show you the chart. We've got an hourly trend line on bonds, but I'll do charts in a minute. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we'll get on with our day. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, fellas. Let's do, this would be the fourth trade. There we go. First target, whopping 6 handles. Another first target winner. four NASDAQ bot trades, 4 winners, all first target only. There it is. There we go. We finally got the break. Same with the ES. Hang on, guys. All right. NASDAQ's pushing up. They bought the Russell, as I thought they may. They're buying the NASDAQ. God, do something. Get out of this range. Got a buyer here, 20 contracts. ES, no block trades on the open. ES bot coming to target. NASDAQ's a short. See it scroll, fellas? See it auto scroll? All right, ES got target 1 on the bot. Okay, buyer here on the NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. 7, 8, 9. NASDAQ's long on the bot as well. Target one filled NASDAQ. There you go, guys. Small trade. Take some risk off. 21 is resistance. If you want to take some risk off in here, you can. And right back down. At 21 area is resistance. So if you want to take some off at 21, give or take, ES on the bot. ES has gotten crushed. All three targets hit on ES bot. NASDAQ doesn't want to go anywhere. Come on, NASDAQ. All right, we got it. 22, target one hit and filled, ES. You sold 100? James, you sold 100 contracts? Oh, someone. Gold just flipped into a long. There's the high of the day on the NASDAQ. Trying to get to 60. 60, which was Friday's high. 60 from 11. That's where I want to come out. Come on, break it. Should go. Thanks, Jeff. Should go, fellas. Missed by 2 ticks. Got it. Got it. Everybody good? All right. Gold got target 1 on the bot. Target 1 is hit and filled. Any questions, guys? Yeah. We traded through Friday's high. Morning, Francisco. Both targets hit and filled on gold. Both targets hit and filled. No bot trades on currently, fellas. One NASDAQ trade. If you traded similar, $1,405. Unfinished auction here at $35.50 on the ES. 45 is going to be resistance. And then again at 50. NASDAQ running amok. I really, really, really don't want to see this close over 15,000. It's moving back up into that hourly channel that we broke on Friday. Russell flat. ES, I still think comes down a little bit. Maybe not. The small time frame's got to get up. YM has been butchered. And NASDAQ has lost its mind. Looks like we're hell bent on 15,150. This may be where we fade. It looks like it may have one more push in here. Everybody's good, right? Everybody's good. Morning, Marco. You're late. You missed a sweet NASDAQ. Oh, okay. All right, good. And you got your daily goal. Yeah. Nice job, Ray. All right, fellas. We hit them. Shouldn't be any pressure now for trades. Right now, it's the NASDAQ show. $108 is where this thing wants to go. Crude traded to that damn 103.60. Good Lord. It's a hell of a move. Now that the easy money's off the table, let's see what we want. Maybe a pullback to 71. Maybe as far back as 54. We'll see what we get. Nobody should be in a hurry for a trade. 2 pre-market trades, ES and NASDAQ. If you did both winners, if you didn't take those, you got the NASDAQ on the open. Nice trade. We are in no hurry. ES garbage right around VWAP. NASDAQ, the only thing I don't like about this scrolling is if you open this up, and I'll have to have Joel fix this, to see the numbers, it won't scroll. So this is kind of where, you say, do you want to keep taking trades, right? You're up 1,200. Now, last week, we're off a $9,100 week. Block sales in gold. Got an unfinished auction to trade too if you want a small trade to 31.3 on GC. I'll try this short. It's above VWAP, but we should come down to 31.3. I don't like being short above VWAP, but I do think this will come down and get that auction. 13 and a 17. Look at gold. Yeah, I think gold will come down to 31.1 may be it. That may be the bottom, just below VWAP. You see all these higher lows? Sequential decline, 3 ticks, 36.43. Some buyers. Again, we're above VWAP, which I generally don't like being short above VWAP. Had 10. It's got to break 32 and we get that target. 31.7. Trade them as you see fit, guys, always. All right, the bot shorted, and I don't particularly like this trade. Not to get to 30.7, but we'll see. I can get you 4 ticks. Seven. 8. Buyers in here. I'm going to kill this order flow trade. I killed it. This may still be a winning trade. I just don't like being short above VWAP. All right, ES is above our support. Our resistance. As long as we hold 50, this is a good trade. I see no, again, BS 50 contract trade. There's no size in here, guys. None. I'm just leery of this ES without size. It's long, probably to 62. If you guys want to try a small, it's going. 61, 62 is probably where this is headed. Gold is going to come get that auction. NASDAQ headed to 108. Got the auction. 174 buyer here. 3,000 net buyers right now on the NASDAQ, guys. 3,000. God, crude oil still going. Bonds selling hard. Bonds are shorts now. If anybody is interested in bonds, I think you can sell 27, 28 with a first target at 16. Maybe 17, 16. No Russell trade today, no crude trades today on the bot. Gold has first target. ES target now today becomes 75. Long as we hold 50. NASDAQ target, we're probably going to see 108. ES, going to see 75. Ludwig level red, 75, lines up with next resistance at 75. Anybody short bonds? Anybody short ZB? Okay. Here's your ZB trade. Anybody is interested. Yes, as longs, fellas. 61. The old box trade, fellas. Almost 5,000 net buyers in the NASDAQ. I seriously can't even fathom why. I have no idea. Bonds are 31.25 per tick, Robert. I can't fathom why anybody is buying I just think, seriously, it makes 0 sense to me. This is all retail. Yep. This is all retail idiots, and they're going to get smashed. Yeah, let's buy Twitter. No, thank you. You know, shockingly, Russell is not participating in this. YM is moving up. YM may be interesting. NASDAQ, got to get out of this box. NASDAQ should pull back to 25 if you guys want to try a NASDAQ short. Should pull back to 25. 26. I want it out of this box. But it should, there's your box. Should come back to 26. Do 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 do. Let them run amok. Just out of curiosity, where is Twitter? I don't follow it. Let's see here. Up $8 today. 20% on Twitter. Go Elon. He's probably up $1 billion this morning. Nobody took bonds. And they got to 17. 1 tick from Target. I'll take 2. 2 ticks from Target. Close enough for hand grenades for me. Nice job, John. One guy took bonds. You guys can try a 41 right here, short, down to 25. Stop is 62. I'll put 2 on with a target at 26. All out at 26. Bonds, 1 tick from that target I gave you guys. We do have sellers. Come on, break it. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Still sideways. All right. I'm out, guys. This may still fail and come down. It should come to 26. It's just in this sideways slop. Bonds hit 16. Bonds hit 16. No bot trades. Nothing. I mean, the only thing that Russell, if it turns up, will get us a trade. Crude, if it turns down, will get us a trade. And gold needs to turn back up. ES is longs but missed the trade, and NASDAQ is long. So we could be done with seeing any bot trades for the day, up $1,300. Trying to break out of this box. Well, we got the pullback to 25 and deeper. ES probably headed to 39. Let me take a look at an unfinished auction here at 05. All right, ES guy, if it breaks 43, will come 39. So we're probably going to trade value area high back to value area low. This now becomes resistance again. Didn't hold. So that's now resistance. You guys, I'd be late on an ES short. I should have been short probably 51. But if we get a pullback into 50, let's call it, I'll take 49. It isn't going to change the stop. The stop is going to be 65. All right. Targets are 35 and 25. Yep. Russell is not joining. All right. It's a big stop, guys. Just FYI. I'll take one or try. Let's go 40. 35. And 25. So here's what this looks like. This is more of a swing trade, guys. So it's not a scalp. So trade them as you see fit. If this is not a trade that's in your, ballpark, 15 handle trade, it's $750 a contract. If that's not in your wheelhouse, pass on it. Pass. I'll find you scalps. FYI, that last target, 25, is the 100-day moving average. This NASDAQ on the small time frame. Yeah, UBS, you bad boy. If you guys, I don't have a Russell chart, so I'm going to show it to you on the bot. But this is the Russell. The Russell sold right at the open. They bought them in through here. Thank you. Sorry, guys. They bought them in here and sold. They've been selling. Again, I don't have a Russell chart because I don't trade it. NASDAQ maybe a short at 40 if it gets up there. ES is torquing my jaw here. Back above 50. Failing at the point of control and right at value area high 56. I will not like this on a push through the day high. And they're doing it all without block buys, which, well, there's one here, 50 contracts. Yeah, there's some buyers in here, a 200 block as well. Yeah, they're running stops both ways. That's the game. Bonds hit target 1 and filled. We're pulling everything up. I mean, we're surely set up for a short. I'd really like to see this drop back down through 50. I'm getting ready to take this off here, guys. Once we crossed back over 50, yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Once we went back through 50, that was it. If we drop back below 50, I'll look at that short again. God. If this blows back down through 50, I'm going to be annoyed. Gold is quiet. Crude may short on the bot. Unless this pushes back up through 103.08, and it's not gonna. Nice job, Mimi. Jeez, nice trade. $3.50. Heavy black smoke seen in central Paris near the Seine River. No details. No details. Well, they're drawing longs in. I can tell you somebody's going to be in a lot of pain later today, would be my guess. Oh, de do 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 do. Russell's finally turning up. Still don't have a trade. Might be long to 84. Reportedly from a burning bus. Well, that made major news. Hey, Deepak, you in the room? Deepak. Deepak. All right, guys, top of the hour. Gonna wrap it up here. Here are your bot trades for the day. Gold took 4 trades total on the day, 3 winners. First trade was a short, failed short. That was at 921. Trade number 2 at 936 was a long. Targets 1 and 2 filled. Trade number 3 was a short, target 1 only. Trade number 4, which is not reflected in totals, you can see a bot was off, was a winner. Now I do track them for weekly and historical numbers, but that was nothing. Crude trade number 1 was a losing trade, flipped into a long, which got first target. I didn't mark that, but that was a first target winner. Here we are at the highs. So 2 trades on crude, 1 winner, 1 loser. 1 trade today on the ES. Both targets hit and filled. In an odd day, not 1 trade on the Russell. Not 1 trade. NASDAQ's going to 108. The NASDAQ today had 5 trades, all winners. Trade number 1. First target winner. This was before we came in the room at 7 o'clock. Trade number 2, first target winner. Trade number 3, first target winner. Trade number 4 got first and second targets. And trade number 5, right at 9:33, all targets hit. For me, first and second targets. I don't trade the third target other than the Russell, which took no trades today. So the Russell's the only bot that did not take a trade today. Here is your daily total. Start the week, plus 1,460 bucks. Off, 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 and off. 1,460 bucks today. Anybody have any questions? Anything at all, fellas? Guys, have a blessed day. For my 1 o'clock guys, I'll see you in a couple of hours. If anybody has any questions, please feel free.